Welcome to Quang Phu Cao Incense Village, a place where the tradition of making incense has been alive for over a century. Let's explore its charm together. Not only is this village a craft hub, but it is also a symbol of Vietnam's cultural heritage, preserving both historical and spiritual values. Situated in Ung Hoa district, about 35 kilometers from Hanoi, this village is easily accessible by bus, car, or even motorbike. To start your journey, you only need to pay a small entrance fee of around $2 to $4 per person, which allows you to freely explore, take photos, and interact with local artisans. The village welcomes visitors from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily. However, for the best experience and most stunning photos, the ideal time to visit is between 9:20 and 10 a.m. Although visitors can come at any time of the year, it is best to avoid rainy days since incense sticks won't be laid out for drying, making the scenery less vibrant. When it comes to transportation, you can reach the village by bus, train, or private vehicle. The most convenient option is taking bus number 91 from Yen Mia Station. One of the highlights of visiting Quang Phu Cao is experiencing the incense making process firsthand. You will see artisans skillfully preparing bamboo sticks and blending fragrant powders. In addition to learning about the craft, you can also capture stunning photos with vibrant incense bundles, which are arranged in flower-like patterns, an absolute delight for photographers. Interestingly, some locals even arrange incense in unique shapes, such as stars or the map of Vietnam, adding an artistic touch to the village. For the best photos, consider wearing outfits in colors like green, white, or yellow, as they beautifully contrast with the bright red incense sticks. While in the area, why not explore nearby attractions like Hadong Silk Village or Ba Trang Pottery Village? These places also offer amazing cultural experiences. If you're looking for an unforgettable cultural journey, let us help you plan the perfect visit to Quang Phu Cao Incense Village.